This is a raised bed in progress. And by progress, we mean we got it home. That's all we were shooting for at the moment. Now, here's the thing. I got a great idea for your raised beds. You can see this is a little bit wobbly, but with a little bit of TLC, we just need some loving on this guy and we'll make it nice and, you know, not fall apartable. We don't want it to fall apart. This thing, what we'll do is we'll get some walls on here. We can plant all kinds of good stuff. It's pretty thick. Check this out. So I'm thinking, you know, easier on the back so you don't hurt your back when you're getting in here. I should be able to reach to the middle of whatever I need. Maybe we do a water line down the middle of it. Same thing on this side. So if I can access it from both sides, that's all I'm shooting for. It's not super long. I mean, it's probably what, 8 feet or so. So I likely wouldn't need to get a wheelbarrow between here. So I could put a raised bed and then another raised bed like right next to it. I'm sure I've got something in this pile of junk wood over here. We'll see, but I'm thinking I can get a couple of these guys. And then if I put wheels on them, I could put them and move them, especially because that beautiful sunshine up there, actually in the middle of the day. I mean, we're what, October, November. So I'd like to turn this whole thing into a garden right here. But if I had a raised bed with wheels on the bottom, I could likely roll this thing all over the place and around. When I say all over the place, like so that it gets as much sunshine as possible while still having a little bit of garden. I'm very excited about that. I've got a couple other that I've taken apart that are not currently here, but the nice thing about these things, find them at Cubata or somewhere that has big machinery, and they'll usually give those for free. Otherwise, they just cut them up and chip them up. But those are already put together, so they're just as strong and sturdy for the most part as pallets, but they already have the structure to it, so you're not starting from scratch. Let me know if you have any other good ideas around raised beds, because this is my first rodeo.